Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So students, can you tell us particles of matter does what? Our first option is attract each other, our second option is repel each other, our third option is both of them, and our last option is none of them. So students, if we look at the solution of this question, basically the particles of matter normally attract each other because there exists a force of attraction between the particles, or you can say the molecules of matter, which holds students them together, and this holding together is basically known as the intermolecular force of attraction. So students, if we see the intermolecular force of attraction of three states of matter, then in solids we will see that the intermolecular force of attraction is the strongest, students, as in solids the particles does not move anywhere and they only vibrate at their positions. For example, metal. So students, if we come to liquid state, the intermolecular force of attraction will be moderate as compared to solids, and it will be less than solids as they can move a little bit, and by which the intermolecular force of attraction will get little weak as compared to solids. For example, water. And if we look at in gaseous state, students, then there will be a lot of intermolecular space present. That's why the intermolecular force of attraction will be very weak in gaseous state, students. For example, oxygen. So students, basically the particles of matter get attract to each other, but they will not repel each other, as students they never stop any other particles from getting attracted towards the other particles. So the correct answer for this question will be our option number A, students, because the particles of matter attract each other. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.